from our own, a communion with the divine and the transcendence of eternity that still beckons the human soul in us all. In this place, we stand among images of the wonders of ourselves, both ancient and living, for they portray the best of all cultures, the actualization of our common will to create and strive in its flourishing. Each individual here has their own core of creative instinct. We come from lands whose people bow their heads to mighty rivers. We share in our heritage a kind of synchronicity that even our geographically immediate neighbors have been denied. Egypt and India, it is no recent discovery, have known and influenced each other for millennia. One of the greatest kings of our ancient land, Ashoka the Great, mentions one of yours, Ptolemy Philadelphus, in his edicts.